If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMtrading. Today's March 5th, 2020, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, starting out at 7 p.m. South African time, Bank of England Governor Carney will be speaking. And simultaneously out of Canada, we have Governor Polos will be speaking for the Bank of Canada. Now looking at an all-day event, OPEC meetings happening all day should affect the price of oil. Now, what is overshadowing all this economic data is really the coronavirus spread. Okay, it still hasn't seen the end of it, spreading like wildfire around the world. And I think we're going to continue seeing some volatility in the markets as a result. Looking at the Forex symbols, we saw the euro starting to retrace. Okay, but we're going to take a look sharper on that as it hit that resistance level. Looking at the Dow Jones, it spikes big yesterday, over 1,300 points on the upside, but shed some points this morning. And what's most likely just a spike. Now looking at the commodities, gold and oil pretty much unchanged. And lastly, looking at the stocks following the index higher yesterday. But the question is whether or not they're actually going to continue selling off. And I think that they will, because this coronavirus hasn't seen the end of it. And I think we're in it for a few more months of some ruckus in terms of that. But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD at a 4-hour chart. You can see that the markets retraced yesterday, topping out 111.70-ish level. For now, we have a top. We did breach the 15-day moving average, but it is reluctant to break lower. Okay, so it's trading within these two ranges ultimately. And so if it does break one of these two ranges on the upside or on the downside, we'll see that correctionally actually fruit. But for right now, we're just steady at these levels for now. Okay, as the market has sold off, the euro actually getting stronger. Now, the GBP USD did bounce a little bit stronger, okay, which I didn't expect it to because it showed some weakness back here, but it is jumping to 128.77 at a resistant-ish area. Okay, so I do anticipate some sort of a retracement there. Now, looking at gold, really unchanged, 1640 right now. Nothing to write home about as it's rallied from 1572 up to 1640-ish level. But again, it's pretty much flatlining. Now looking at oil, same story at 47.13. So I think these OPEC meetings are going to add some light as to the future of the price of oil as it's making these corrections in light of this disruption from China. Looking at the Dow Jones, we saw it top out here at 27,000. It's retracing right here. So possibly it's going to use this 2670 as a support to take it up higher. But if it does breach it, then I do expect it to falter further down. Now, I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I think we're going to double bottom at a certain point. Okay, I think we're still in the midst of this coronavirus spread, and we haven't seen the end of it. Okay, the ramifications, I don't think we're going to see it for another 12 to 18 months. That's my guess, okay, with everything else that's going on in the market. So with that said, just be aware of it and take precautions. So looking at the stocks, they traded together with the index. They all jumped. Looking at Apple, 302. So we're now just about 30 points off of our all-time highs. Amazon trading at 1973, also bouncing quite sharply. And Microsoft as well, okay, jumping to 170 altogether. However, with that said, I think it's still a index run market right now, which means that altogether we're just watching and trading based on emotions as opposed to trading on fundamental and rational trading, okay? And with that said, you just have to anticipate each day as it comes. Now, we are selling off in the Dow right now, as I mentioned before, to 26,700-ish level. And if we do break that 26,700, then we should see a retracement there. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.